everybody, thanks for joining me today. In today's video we are going to make the simple Ewrap stitch. So grab a loom and the rest of your materials and let's get started. Okay, I'm already casted on, so I'm going to show you this stitch, and basically what you're doing is on each peg you're circling a tiny E around the peg. So this is the Ewrap stitch, and it's one of the easiest stitches in loom knitting. So you go all the way down and then you take your bottom stitch and place it over your top stitch. And you do this on each one of the pegs. This is a great stitch for beginners. We really don't recommend it for a full blanket because the sides do curl. Usually with a blanket, it's recommended that you mix in a purl and an Ewrap stitch to avoid curling. So that's something to just keep in the back of your head. So here I'm going to show you again. Now I am making a project here where I'm skipping the first peg. But here I'm showing you how to do the Ewrap stitch. I'm going to slow my video down so you can see exactly what I'm doing. So I just want to show you what the normal Ewrap stitch looks like. This is all Ewrap. This is a scarf my daughter's working on. This is another project that I have worked on. It is all Ewrap. This is my mermaid blanket that I made a couple years ago, and basically the whole entire thing is made of Ewrap. So as you can see, it's a bigger stitch. It also stretches really well. Subscribe to my channel for more ideas on how you can use the Ewrap in your projects. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you at the next video. Bye!